Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today we will show you how to draw a cute dolphin. Let's draw and paint together. Dolphins are intelligent marine animals. They live in oceans worldwide, often concentrated in warm waters near shore. Dolphins are famous for their intelligence, complex communication abilities, and friendly personalities. Dolphins have elongated, smooth bodies, helping them swim quickly and easily in the water. This dolphin is playing with a ball. This dolphin is very cute, isn't it? Wow, the dolphin is moving! Please color the picture to make it more vivid. We're coloring this dolphin turquoise. Dolphins have been symbols of freedom, wisdom, and friendship in many cultures. They are also used in scientific research, in cognition, psychology, and ecology. In addition, dolphins often appear in shows and are an important part of the ecotourism industry.
Green, red,
I really like drawing and coloring pictures. Please draw and color pictures with me. Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? Wow! I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.